Hello, foodies and adventurous eaters. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Chinese cuisine to uncover an unknown fact about a delicacy that will surely tantalize your taste buds. Chinese crystal shrimp dumplings. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our delectable discoveries. Crystal shrimp dumplings, also known as Har Gow in Cantonese, are a beloved staple in dim sum cuisine. While you may have enjoyed them at your favorite Chinese restaurant, there's much more to these translucent delights than you might think. Let's get started. The history. Our journey begins with a look at the history of crystal shrimp dumplings. These bite-sized marvels have their origins in the Guangdong province of southern China, where dim sum culture thrives. They've been pleasing palates for over a century, with their recipe evolving and adapting over time. Originally, these dumplings were crafted with wheat starch dough, which was later replaced with a more translucent, delicate wrapper made from a mixture of wheat and tapioca starch. This innovation not only gave them their signature see-through appearance but also a unique texture that's both tender and slightly chewy. The art of making crystal shrimp dumplings. Now, let's uncover the art of making these exquisite dumplings. It's a meticulous process that requires skill and precision. The wrapper. The key to the dumpling's crystal clear appearance lies in the dough's thinness. Skilled chefs roll out the dough into paper-thin sheets, ensuring it remains translucent when steamed. The filling. The star of the show is, of course, the shrimp filling. Fresh, succulent shrimp are seasoned with a delicate touch, allowing their natural flavors to shine through. The folding. Folding these dumplings is an art in itself. The wrapper is carefully pleated into a dainty pouch, creating a beautiful, floral pattern that's not just for show. It also ensures the dumpling stays sealed during steaming. A surprising nutritional fact. Now, for the unknown fact that might surprise you. Despite their appearance, crystal shrimp dumplings are a healthier choice than you might think. These dumplings are low in calories and fat, making them a guilt-free indulgence. They are also an excellent source of protein, thanks to the generous helping of shrimp. Plus, they are often gluten-free, making them suitable for various dietary preferences. Regional variations. Before we wrap up, let's talk about regional variations of crystal shrimp dumplings. While they're a staple in Cantonese cuisine, you'll find unique twists on this classic dish in different regions of China. In Shanghai, for instance, you'll encounter a dumpling called xiaolongbao. These dumplings are known for their thin, delicate skin, and they are often filled with a flavorful broth that gushes out when you take a bite. In Guangzhou, the birthplace of crystal shrimp dumplings, you'll find traditional dumplings that emphasize the quality of the shrimp and the craftsmanship of the wrapper. The cultural significance. Now, let's discuss the cultural significance of these dumplings. In Chinese culture, food is more than just sustenance. It's a reflection of tradition and symbolism. Cultural scenes and events featuring dumplings. Crystal shrimp dumplings often make an appearance during celebrations, like the Lunar New Year, symbolizing wealth and prosperity due to their translucent appearance, resembling gold ingots. They are also a staple during family gatherings, bringing loved ones together around the dim sum table. A fun fact. Before we go, here's a fun fact about crystal shrimp dumplings. They're considered a test of a dim sum chef's skill. The dumpling's thin, translucent skin is a mark of a masterful chef, and it can take years of practice to perfect the art of creating these dumplings. So, next time you enjoy these dumplings, you'll have a newfound appreciation for the expertise required to make them. Recipe inspiration. Lastly, for all you home chefs out there, here's a little inspiration. If you want to try making crystal shrimp dumplings at home, we'll be sharing a simplified recipe in the video description below, so be sure to check it out and give it a try. It's a fun and rewarding culinary adventure that allows you to experience the magic of these dumplings in your own kitchen. The final reveal. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. The final reveal. Let's dive into the irresistible taste of Crystal Shrimp Dumplings. The translucent wrapper allows you to see the vibrant orange of the shrimp inside. The flavor is a harmonious blend of sweetness from the shrimp, a touch of saltiness from the seasoning, and the delightful umami taste that leaves you craving for more. There you have it, food enthusiasts, the untold story of Chinese crystal shrimp dumplings. From their rich history to their surprising health benefits and, of course, their delectable taste, these dumplings are truly a culinary wonder. If you've enjoyed this journey through Chinese cuisine, please give us a thumbs up and leave a comment sharing your favorite dim sum dish or any hidden culinary gems you'd like us to explore next. Until next time, keep exploring the world through food. Thank you for joining us today. See you in the next episode, and remember to stay curious and hungry.